Now, itong next device na pag-usapan natin probably has everything that I'm looking for in a gaming laptop. Meron siyang 13th Gen na Core i7 na processor, pretty powerful, DDR5 na memory, big display na may 165Hz of screen refresh rate, and meron din siya 100% na DCI-P3 na color gamut. Plus, meron siyang bonus, meron siyang light bar pa dito sa ilalim ng kanyang screen. Very unique for a gaming laptop. And this is the Aorus 15 2023. Pag-usapan natin in deeper details right after this quick intro. Now guys, if you purchase this laptop, you'll be getting a black box like this from Aorus. And makita mo, there's a big number 15 na nakaprint dito sa kanya, which is a marker na inside is a Aorus 15. There are some quick specs dito na nakaprint sa gilid. And pag binuksan mo, you have a really neat na packaging inside. Together inside, we have a 240 watts na charging brick. Hindi naman siya ganun kakapal, no? Unlike before, sobrang kapal niya, parang isang malaking brick. This one is a half of a brick. Then of course, meron siyang 3-prong na power cord kasama. So let's quickly go over itong laptop na ito. Sa left side, makita mo ang combo audio jack, a USB 3.2 port, and of course yung kanyang exhaust. Sa likod, you'll see 2 exhausts on the left and the right. Then nandiyan ang kanyang LAN port, Thunderbolt 4 port, HDMI port. Then we also have a mini DP port, and of course ang kanyang DC port. Sa kanyang kanan, we have 2 USB-A 3.2 port, then of course isang USB Type-C port, and of course ang gana exhaust. Now what's nice dito sa laptop na ito, it can give you up to 3 na output. Isa galing sa kanya HDMI, isa galing sa kanya mini DP, plus isa galing sa kanya Thunderbolt 4 na port. Probably it's going to give you that best gaming experience if you want to port it out to a tatlong screen. Now, one of the good things na gusto ko sa kanya dito is RGB ang kanyang keyboard. Plus, meron siyang light bar na nasa ilalim ng kanyang screen. Synchronize siya sabay ng kanyang keyboard, which makes it look a lot better. And probably the only thing na hindi ko masyado trip dito is medyo maliit ang kanyang trackpad, and hindi mo na mapapansin when you're playing kasi meron kang gamit na gaming mouse. But if you're doing some other tasks dito sa laptop na ito, medyo feel ko mabibitin ka ng konti dito sa kanyang trackpad. But one good thing dito sa kanya is very responsive ang kanyang trackpad, and hindi siya masyado nag-iwan ng mga smudges dito. Now, one thing na gustong-gusto ko rin kay Aorus 15 is ang ganda ng kanyang display. 15.6 inch is quite big for me, and 160Hz of screen refresh rate is definitely an icing. Lalo when you're doing gaming, ang smooth ng kanyang display. Kahit mag-scroll ka na sa social media, mafe-feel mo parang mas smoother as compared sa mga ordinary laptops. And on top of that, meron din siyang TUV Rainland na low blue light certificate, so giving me that extra protection para sa aking mata when I'm glaring at it for long hours. You know, mga 5, 6, 7 hours down the road. Lalo kung nag-i-edit ako, my eyes are better protected. And I've been watching some 4K videos dito sa YouTube, and I would really say na very nice. Parang true to life ang ganang colors dito, no? Thanks to its high color gamut, mapapansin mo ang color niya dito is ang ganda. Lalo when you're editing sa Premiere Pro or Photoshop, mas ma-appreciate mo siya. So if you're watching videos together with the whole barkada, whole family, I'm pretty sure na together with its loudspeaker, mag-e-enjoy ka talaga dito. Now, let me share you some benchmark na pinakita sa akin ni Aorus for itong laptop na ito. Now, itong laptop na ito comes together with the NVIDIA RTX 4070, which is a good performer when it comes to laptop portability. So for the past 2 weeks na gamit ko to, I've been editing some of my videos dito, and it was able to let me do all of the tasks. Walang problema, seamless naman. And what's nice is yung exporting time niya seems to be a little bit faster. Siguro thanks to yung kind of 4070 which can render faster, and of course ang kind of DDR5 na memory which gives you that faster reaction dito sa laptop na ito. Now, itong laptop na ito is equipped with a MUX switch technology or MUX or whatever you call it. It basically means na yung kanyang graphics card na dedicated to 4070 niya is directly connected sa kanyang screen, giving you that better experience, especially when you need it. Ang kanyang battery life, I wouldn't say na ang kanyang 99 watt-hour is sobrang makunat, but it was able to last me for around mga 5.5 hours non-stop watching videos dito. And yeah, it's just average. So I would highly suggest na bitbitin yung charging brick mo anywhere you go. Siguro probably one of the things gustong-gusto ko rin sa kanya dito is malakas kanyang sound. Yung sound niya is coming dito sa ibabaw ng kanyang keyboard. To be honest with you, medyo mas nabilib ako sa kanya nung naglalaro ko. Lalo when I'm playing Cyberpunk and CS2, marinig mo talaga ang sarap sa tenga yung kanyang sounds dito. Now, of course, we're going down to my favorite part sa gaming. Even though na medyo mabibiting ka sa 512 gigs na kanyang default M.2 na storage dito sa loob, but good news, pwede ka pa mag-expand ng isa pa. Maybe you can buy a 2 tera, isalpak mo sa kanyang second slot, which gives you extra storage. Kasi I'm pretty sure 512 might not be enough for 2023. Lalo na if you have a lot of games, mag-install ka na ng Cyberpunk and si Red Dead Redemption, tapos na halos na yung storage. What more if you want to play a lot of games dito? Maybe you might have to delete some. Now, I have played several game titles dito sa laptop na ito, and starting off with Tomb Raider, then we also play Cyberpunk 2077, then we also play CS2, and of course, Forza Horizon 5. All of these games I was able to game without any problem. Wala naman na-feel na frame drops, and all of them sinet naman natin sa high graphical settings. And the 4070 was able to deliver. If you have extra cash, you might want to expand yung kanang RAM. 16 gigs of RAM is good enough, but pwede mo naman siya gawin 32 to give you that better experience. Kasi nakita ko meron din siyang expansion din dito sa loob. Now, ano naman verdict ko dito sa laptop ito? Probably this is one of the better na gaming laptop that I've handled for 2023. And the Aorus 15 was able to deliver in terms of gaming, in terms of editing on Premiere Pro. Of course, yung mga videos ko na medyo demanding, 4K kasi mga in-edit ko, no? And of course, to give me that entertainment na hinanap natin. Plus, ang pinaka-dope sa kanya dito is sa kanyang light bar dito sa ilalim. And of course, expandable ang kanyang memory as well as ang kanyang storage. Now, if you're out there in the market looking for a really great laptop that can let you do all other activities, not only just gaming, the Aorus 15 2023 might be your next best candidate for your gaming/creativity na laptop. So if you want to know kung saan pwede mabili itong Aorus 15 2023, I'll be linking on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and of course share sa inyo mga kaibigan para mas marami makakita ng review na ito. And of course, a sub to my channel would be appreciated. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.